Hello, it's Angelo with Angelo's Edge again. We're doing a little bit of technology edge, the edge of technology today. I said the edge of knives, but so I got this camera here from the Walmart. It's a Merkury, kind of funny playing with the K instead of a C, but I'm planning on using this for a different view when I do my knife videos. Like I'm gonna, I think, put it somewhere over here facing this way. I have close-ups of me sharpening the knives and stuff like that. So, but it was $19.99 at Walmart. It's more of a smart Wi-Fi camera. I think it's supposed to be like a security camera. You can somehow access it with your phone. So security lighting, I don't think that. This company makes security lighting and power products, but this is flexible, so it's like basically a like a smart camera. But it was like at the end of the electronic aisle on the kiosk with a bunch of other stuff that went ranging from $9.99 to $19.95. So I'm gonna open it up and see what it looks like. I got the X-large matrix here to open it up. So we gotta open it up here. Oh, it's still, it comes off here too. Man, I should have opened it up before I made the video. Damn. Well, what the crap? Oh, I just ripped it. There it is. Oh, well, damn, there's all kinds of freaking spots. Cut that one off too. Alright, so like I said, this is a Walmart. So need help. So this is a fresh unboxing. Oh, happy. Let's see, it's like a card. Need help. Can we help? It's nice little starter guide. So that's, and here's, and it comes with the, here's what it actually entails. Oh, dropping a bunch of stuff. Merkury. Actually, that's kind of a nice looking little phone charger, basically. Check this out, Vicky. You have almost like a Samsung charging cord. So
I can plug my essential oil burners into that.
Yes, so you get this with the, so they give you a adapter, and they give you a what?
What?
They give you like a USB cord, and you're supposed to pull the sticker off. I'm guessing they protect the lens. So there's what it looks like. It's supposed to be flexible. I don't know if there's a stick, or I'm not sure. They showed it. Oh, crap. Drop it, slippery.
You got butterfingers.
So that's the camera itself. What do you think of that? Hey.
What? Oh, it's so tiny. It looks like an alien.
It does look like a little alien, like a little one eye. Whoa, big brother. Well, anyways, so it looks like it has I don't know if that's must be the microphone. Reset, I don't know what the heck that means. So I guess I gotta read the directions. But I guess it seems stable enough. But it's supposed to flex, so it's somewhat limited. I don't know if you'd flex it, because then you probably have to get like a sticker or something, like made them command strips probably if you wanted to stick it to a wall. But so it looks like it's not battery operated, so you do need the adapter, which is fine, because like I said, I plan on kind of coming over here in the back corner and be like, say I'm sharpening a knife and have a nice close-up. So that's the plan. And it don't look really too bad for $19. Oh, it's 720. It's HD, but it's 720 HD. 720p. So, I mean, I was looking, they had another one. It was 1080. It was a different brand. I think the other, I can't think of the name, but it was 37. So this was basically half the price. So I think what I'm going to use it for to be perfect. So, but like I said, this is the Angelo's Edge. Let's see. It's Angelo's Technology Cutting Edge video. So, but we're going to use this for the knife videos along with my other camera, so you get a couple of different views, close-ups and stuff like that. Alright, if you like videos like this, unboxings, knife sharpenings, knife reviews. Oh wait, before, I think I just found something that looks like they give you a sticker, so you can stick it to something. So, like a 3M reversible sticker. Just seen it in the box. So anyways, but if you like videos like this, like, share, and subscribe. There should be a button on this right here with a subscribe, and then there'll be another video you can watch somewhere over here. Alright, have a good day. Bye. Video. I hooked it up. It's kind of cool. It's not exactly what I expected. It's more of a security cam, like with the Ring. Basically, you could set it out and it records your signal through your Wi-Fi at home. It's not really you don't really hook it up to your laptop. It's more to be hooked up to your phone, and you could actually point it at like something, and it's linked to your Wi-Fi, and you could watch like anywhere. Like, I'm guessing you could be at work and you could point it, like I say, at your entrance to your house, and you could watch it from mobile. You could watch it mobilely through your phone, and you could, there's a thing on it. You could hold this button and you could talk into it, kind of like, I believe that's like the Ring does, and it's kind of cool. I think it will work for me too, like for what I want to record 2 different views for my knife videos, but I need an SD card. I got an SD card in here now, but it's not functional. So you need a micro SD card to record. So, but this one is broken. So what I want to do is I'm gonna like basically have like it just off camera, this camera right here, and it'd be facing like tabletop level, and you could really get a close-up. So that's my plan, but the SD card I got is not functional, so I have to, this is one I took out of my phone because it stopped working, so I figured I'd try to put it in the camera. But it's a micro SD card, you can see it right there. So I got some more work to do with this, but for right now you could just like you could put it in your window or something. Like, maybe, I don't think it'd be good for outside, but say if you have a window next to your house entrance, you could put it right there, and then, well, it says it has motion alarm, so I don't know if it'll alert you on your app, because you download an app, I think it's called, what is it called? It's called, you go in the book and you go to Google Play or iTunes or whatever, Apple Store, depending on what you have, and you download this app called Genie, Genie, like Genie or Genie, and it loads, and you sit there